you drink this. It's something for your inside, eternal.
Yeah, you got to put like you can put it on your fresh salad. You can drink it. You can cook with it because I have customers who buy only this to cook with. But most of the young people now they use it. It's good for the hair and the skin.
I cook with the cook one. It's good. It tastes good. It make your bake nice, flavor the food. I don't have no medical problems, thank God. Coconut oil is good. The whole world should just get interested in using coconut oil.
And I would not stop using this coconut oil because at my age, at 70 years of age, I believe it is doing a very good for me. So I'd make sure I keep drinking it every day. I decided to get into this coconut oil business by a good friend of mine by the name of Jensen. He introduced me and told me about us getting it, and I believe I get into it at the right time. When I get into it, is that there was a demand for coconut oil and started out with a little cottage industry. You know, making just a few bottles, and then it started to grow and on and started to get customers and orders, and I just kept going on and on. With my own handmade machines, I started to make the oil, and then after I imported some machines from China. I'm still thinking about bringing in more machines from China because it's great. The demand is greater than my output. My coconut oil, I believe that the feedback I get from my customers is that with the years that I'm doing it, I improve by way I believe there's any faults. And probably once your oil is properly well taken care of and cooked, you would have a problem because you would not get it would have no spoilage. Because I do everything I ever get any reports of spoilage in my nuts. People just love buying my coconut oil.
Remember, you select your coconuts. The coconuts are selected.
My coconut is made from selected coconut. I use no old coconut.
No old coconut.
Only freshly watered coconut. The feedback I get from people who is using it for like a lot of cancer patients, people from the age home for the age, they use it for Alzheimer's. And the feedback that I'm getting it because I produce coconut for the among the years that people from as far as Saudi Arabia come and buy from me. England. For instance, my wife had a family in England and she had a skin disorder, and I gave them that coconut oil, and the child is healthy and right with it right now. So I know that I'm doing a wonderful job by producing my virgin coconut oil especially. Well, what I like most about it is that the feedback I get from my clients, because as clients who works Atlantic Energy, First Citizen Bank, I have a lot of customers who buy them even daily for their skincare, as well as the property. I buy from anybody who has the property. They sell me, I buy and distribute. We usually get some from Venezuela and things like that. We don't really have any challenges right now because as transport and I have customers from Addis, Arima, Sabela. I usually make drop off at Pinal Debe, Faisabad, San Fernando. So it isn't any challenge. The only challenge that I have with me that I believe I should be producing more. I supply bakeries also with coconut and ice cream parlors. So we use
get the coconut from our workers, fellas in the village. We buy the coconut. Some of them get the coconut from his inheritance property. We get the coconut. We husk the coconut. We have someone huxing the coconut. Take off all the shell. Then we selected from what is good, what not good, what big, what small, and the selected ones. The medium sized one is one more he used for his oil business. Business. So we take it out and we have somebody bussing it, digging it out, and then we have somebody grating. His grandson, most of the times he's there with us, he was great. He will grate the coconut, squeeze it, and sets it. Like over 12 hours. What we do next?
That's where we can come in and make sure I can take the top cream off. Then we under the top cream there with the virgin oil. I will get it out. Leave it there and get it straight. The cream is what I'm going to cook to get the mustard oil.
Our number is behind us there. And it's on, so when you purchase oil, you get the labels, it's on the bottle with our number there, 381-4880, Brothers, my husband, and I'm Rena, 787-6689. So you can call us up at any time, night, day. We will be there to answer and provide you with the coconut oil.